I think one of the struggles of solo travel is to carry your damn luggage. It is like 7 degrees and I'm daring to go for a walk, jog, run, whatever. The sun finally is coming out. Oh, it's so cold. I'm wearing this. I'm not wearing anything warm. My hands, they're so numb. But we're doing this. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Just Go with Amreen. I'm still in Nish, by the way. I will be leaving in a few minutes. My bus is at 10:30 and it is 9:20 right now. I will be walking to the bus station because the apartment I'm staying at is so close to the city center as well as the bus station. It is just 900 meters from there and it takes me like 7-8 minute walk to get there. So the apartment I'm staying at is called Central Plaza Apartments. I will leave the link to it down below in the description box for you to check it out. It's perfect if you're a solo traveler, if you're a couple, or even if you have a small child. Anything more than that, it'll be too cramped up. I have a very long journey from Nish. So I just arrived at Jite. The bus dropped us off and just drove away as quickly as he could. There was no stopping at all, so you better be prepared with your luggage before you get off. I've been actually looking at my Google Maps because whatever they speak, it's all in Serbian, so you don't know when your station, where your stop might actually come and go. So better be prepared. Look at your Google Maps and see when you're going to arrive, and that's it. This town is super small, by the way. It has less than 80,000 people here and very few restaurants and very few bars. I'm living in an apartment. There is like probably 1 or 2 hotels here, so don't expect much. The accommodation is just a 7-8 minute walk from the bus station. As again, this place is very budget friendly, so I will leave the link to this place down below. It requires a self check-in. There's obviously no reception or host comes to pick you. This apartment is ultra cute, by the way. It is only 200 meters away from the bus station. This place is super equipped with like all amenities, in the sense it has salt. I mean, no place has salt. It has everything like pots, pans, tiny little kitchenette, glasses. I'm sorted. I wanted to mention 2 things about the bus. One, the journey from Nish to here is about 5.5 hours. It doesn't stop anywhere except the stops it has. It gives you like a 5-minute pee break, and that's pretty much it. No coffee break, no lunch break, nada. And the place it stops for the pee break, there is no water even. So because I forgot to pack water along with me, because you can drink tap water in Serbia, I don't have a bottle to carry with me. So I forgot to buy, I didn't have any. So for 5.5 hours, I was just really thirsty. So please pack snacks, sandwiches if you have to, bottle of water for sure. Some people pack beer too. But yes, basically pack, be prepared. I was prepared food wise, but I had no water. Another thing I have been noticing, that for the past 2 times that I got on a bus with my luggage, they didn't charge me anything extra for my luggage, which they should, by the way, because I paid something last year, and this year they've just forgotten to take money from me. It's actually written on the website when I buy the ticket that the luggage price is not covered in this. So clearly there is a price for the luggage, but they are not charging me anything. So there is a chance that they might charge you, which is legit. Yeah, but they've not been doing that for me. If you are traveling by the bus within Serbia, try to check the schedule online. I always use busticket4.me. That's the website I use. Today's ticket I booked was through another website called Omio. I will leave the links to all these websites down below for you to book your tickets. Check the schedule. Now, if you do book your ticket online, please make sure that you print out your ticket, because sometimes the driver of the bus will just consider it as an invalid ticket if it's not printed, and nobody will tell you that you should have printed it. So I am telling you, please print it if you are booking your ticket online in advance. Please get to the bus station at least 1 hour before, because in case there is any hiccup or anything that you need to get done, whatever the reason is, try to get there at least 1 hour prior to the bus departure. I have been getting to the bus station about 30 minutes prior, which is not a good idea, because if something goes wrong, you will stand to miss your bus and there is obviously no refund on your tickets. Last but not the least, I have to mention buses in Serbia are very well connected to all sorts of different small, big cities, villages, etc. Not villages, of course, towns. But also make sure you check if there are any train routes that go to the same place that you want to visit from where you are. Simply because the train takes maybe half the time or something to that effect, as opposed to a bus, obviously. For example, I know that going to Novi Sad takes about 2 hours or more in a bus, whereas there is a train now that takes only an hour. So you want to check that out, because buses are dependent on traffic and stuff, and trains don't really care about that. So that is all from me for this video, and I will see you guys next week. I know this was a very quick short video all about the bus journey in Serbia. I will see you guys next week. I will be exploring Western Serbia. Keep your eyes peeled for that, because you are going to not want to blink. There is so much beauty coming your way. If you guys like this vlog, you know what to do. Give me a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming adventures. I will see you guys next week. Bye guys. Cheers. And number 4 is what? I mean, it's difficult to explain. It's